Welcome back to my channel. This is Kate Sutnet. So today, I received my package from Dubai from my very good friend Mary Ann Marasigan. I'll show you what she sent to me, and she wanted me to do this challenge together with my Sri Lankan family because she believes that all Sri Lankan loves spicy food. So today we are going to do the Samyang challenge spicy noodles together with my sister-in-law and cousin sister. So please welcome my sister-in-law Tarika and our cousin sister Manishka. How are you doing today?
It's very rainy, we are cold.
So, do you know what is the food in front of you right now?
No, this is our first experience.
You don't see these noodles before?
Not in Sri Lanka.
Not in Sri Lanka. Okay. People knows that if you are from Sri Lanka, you people are eating too much spicy food,
Yes.
right? We will find out tonight if they are really eating spicy food. So you agree also to do that. If something happened bad to you, don't blame me. Okay guys, I cook for you these noodles. So you can try it and tell me how is it. Please.
Let's see.
So,
Very hot,
very hot,
very spicy,
very spicy,
and very tasty.
tasty. And for you, Manishka?
Little bit
Little bit
spicy.
spicy. So it's not that much for you. Oh, that's good. Okay, you can finish that one. Let's see how. if you finish, I'll give you 100 rupees.
Seriously? Thousand. Video.
Yeah.
Don't video now.
Of course, we need to take a video. Let's see how your reaction. You mix from down and then. Oh. Okay, guys, I'll eat with them. Also, I have also my spicy.
Sweating. Too much hot.
Too much hot here, or the spice, or
Very
the noodles?
spicy.
Manishka is just eating this is spicy food. Oh. It's nice, though. Oh, look at the sauce, yummy. Oh, she's sweating already. Wow, yummy.
Without water.
Someone is complaining without water.
No, I mean we are eating without water.
Guys, I'm gonna join them also for the Samyang challenge. The people who knows me, I really don't eat this spicy food, but tonight I'm gonna join my sisters to do this Samyang challenge. If I finish this all without drinking water, I will receive 1,000 rupees from them. Yeah, challenging. Oh my god. Ah!
Without water.
Are you sure? This is too much, man. There is only one bite, guys, for me. But I feel already that the spiciness of this noodles is too much. This is nothing for her. Oh, look. She's happy also eating. Call a friend. I'll call Amma. Spicy, no? Oh, so spicy. I'll call the help of Amma. So spicy for me. Coming? I don't know. You want to try? Yeah, try. Can you show yourself it? You will try, my son. Eating is spicy also. I will get you 1,000. If you finish, I will receive 1,000. Ay!
Wow.
See my nose. Oh. Oh. So that is the challenge. Finish this one, you receive 1,000 rupees without drinking water. No, baby, challenge, baby. My son is giving me water. She will finish now. Mukha ni Archie kiwa? Inna? Eh, baray. Inna ni was. Who will win? Oh. She's eating. She's eating spicy, really. You want to speak something about the noodles? Even in your language, how is it? The more you eat it, the more it's getting spicy, right?
Yeah.
Mmm.
I got.
You can't. It's very little now. You will.
Burning outside.
No, it's very little now. You see? She finished. Call a friend. Call a friend.
Come down.
It's nothing for her.
Con.
Wow. More?
No. You want more? Think so. No.
So spicy, baby.
What about the one?
Yeah, you can drink. Now you can drink. I'm so bad. She's out. Oh, see my eyes. Behind the scenes. It's getting crazy now. Someone. Use. My sister-in-law is asking sugar. I'm not so bad. I'm gonna give her chocolate. How was it?
Wow, it's amazing.
It's amazing.
Very hot.
I'm gonna call my mother-in-law.
I'm eating chocolate because it's very spicy. Sorry.
1 billion.
See my plate, I finished it.
The one who's going to help me is not available. So, maybe.
Not available.
Oh, guys. If you are really the winner, can you eat this? So, oh my God, 1,000 like that only? No. You need to finish this, man.
Little bit.
You clean all the red sauce there. Really, I give up. Finish, huh?
මේක අරගේ වතුර තිබුණනේ ඔක්කොම වතුරට බහින්න ඇති නූඩල්ස් එකේ නෑ අපි ඒක වේලගන්නේ උන්ටට සැන අපේ
This one is too much water, no? If there is too much water, it's more spicy, you know? Oh my God. Hey, go down. I'll tell you to father.
She's a ghost.
Oh, really? Eat that red also.
Drink.
Oh, you have to show in camera. You finish. Someone is cheating.
Drinking.
Yeah. We have a winner. First of all, I want to thank Mary Ann Marasigan for sending me the Samyang hot chicken flavor noodles spicy for us to be able to do the spicy noodle challenge. Thank you so much, Mary Ann Marasigan. We love you so much from Sri Lanka. And the winner is our winner is Manishka. What can you say? Did you enjoy the spicy noodle challenge? You want to do another one again?
Yes.
Wow! One, no? What is your reward? Reward, your gift.
1,000.
1,000.
1,000.
They said you need to eat another one packet.
I need 500. Yeah.
No.
She was 1,500.
Why?
1,500.
For her plate and my little bit.
And then I need 500 also because that's my noodle. My gas.
Yeah.
My electricity. Yeah. So I have share also, right?
Yeah.
So 500 for me, and then maybe for you 250, and then 250.
Because it's our stomach. It's burning.
It's so funny because they're very game also. You know, they start to join me with this video without telling them what will be their reward if they join the video. It's just they come to join me. So the answer is there is no reward.
Say what?
She said.
Are you sad, really? So what can you say? Yeah, you don't have prize.
My inside still burning.
Yeah, we do.
So when I asked you to do the challenge, did you think anything? Nothing? Nothing, no? Yeah. That's why nothing also. Because now, yeah, why are you smiling? Before this video and we're gonna give the rewards. Ta-da!
Lie, only.
Lie.
Only video, only showing. Magic show.
Please take this 1,000 rupees and take a picture with the 1,000 rupees showing that we give you your reward.
Memorable day.
Yes.
She cheated me.
So you will not complain to me. She did not give me money. I approve. Please. Please. Yeah. Thank you very much for joining. I hope you enjoy this video. If you want me to do something together with my Sri Lankan family, please do let me know. Comment down below and we will try to do it for you so you'll enjoy your day. Bye!